how to edit background on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your background on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Once you are here, click on the profile icon up there and click again on the profile icon. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find edit, click on it, and you're gonna find the second before the last option, which is background. Tap there. You can choose those colors if you want, or you can click on the plus icon beside those colors and choose a picture from your gallery. If you don't want, just choose one of those. For example, this one, click on the check icon, and like you see, when we go back, they have changed your profile. So this is, guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.